Now, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be out on August the 10th. And you might be thinking about copping one of these bad boys. So the question is, should you go fold or should you stay old? Hey, what's up? I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, and if you're new to my channel, help a tech brother out. Hit that doggone subscribe button down below. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers this month. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should go with the Z Fold 3 or 4 over the S22 Ultra or the iPhone Pro 13 Max. Now, don't get me wrong. I love my S22 Ultra. I think that it is the best non-folding Android phone out there. It's very portable, lightweight. It has a beautiful display, great sound, great battery life. And the camera is top notch and a great value for the money. Most importantly, it comes with an S Pen stylus on board. Now for you iPhone tech buddies, the iPhone Pro 13 Max is the best iPhone out there, hands down. And it has a brilliant 120 Hz refresh rate screen. It's built like a tank. It has excellent sound, optimized apps, and probably the best battery life of all the phones. It takes beautiful pictures, and the video might be also the best on all flagship phones. So why go fold? Reason number 1, the usability of folding phones. With the Z Fold phones, not only do you have a phone, if you want to prop it up, if you want to stand, if you want to use the camera as a little tripod, you got to get a case with the other phones. Not with the Z Fold. The Z Fold comes with a built-in stand. Now that might seem insignificant now, but as you use that more and more, you're going to appreciate why that's so important and how beneficial it is. Reason number 2, productivity. One main reason for getting the Note series phone is to be productive. Now, you like the ability to open 2 apps at the same time. Now, this cannot be done with your iPhone. It can be done with your S22 Ultra, but with the Z Fold series, you have the ability not only to open 2 apps at the same time, but you can open 3 apps at the same time, and it makes it much easier to be productive. Reason number 3. Now, it is true, to watch a movie on either the S22 Ultra or the iPhone Pro Max is a dope experience, and playing games on them are great too. But watching movies or playing games on a Z Fold phone is next level because of all of the extra real estate. You see more of the games and it's more immersive. And again, it's way better than the S22 Ultra or the iPhone Pro Max. Reason number 4. If you generally use your S Pen and you enjoy taking notes, writing on the screen, drawing or painting, you can do it on the iPhone Pro 13 Max. You can do it on your S22 Ultra, but not like on your folding phone. The big screen, it makes it very intuitive, easy to use, and quicker than the S22 Ultra. Reason number 5. The 5th, and maybe the best reason to go fold over the iPhone Pro 13 Max or the S22 Ultra is with the folding phones. Not only do you get a candy bar flagship phone, but you also get a top-of-the-line 7-inch tablet, the best on the market, with tablet-like features, optimized apps that makes it very easy to be productive, and it is a very enjoyable experience. Nothing comes close to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 when it comes to productivity. It's all about the screen size, baby. So now, hopefully these 5 tips will help you to decide whether you want to go fall or whether you want to stay old. Now, if you found value in this video, help protect Brother out. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to get my next video when it drops, share, and comment. In the comment section, tell me, are you planning on going full or will you stay old? I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first, check it out.